The smell wakes you first, before the sound, before the light. Salt water, stale and heavy, it's everywhere. Rotten wood, the ship is slowly dying beneath you. And sweat. 30 men. No baths. Weeks at sea. You are on a pirate ship. You made your choice. Now you live with it. Somewhere in the Caribbean. Blue water everywhere. Land nowhere in sight. The deck creaks under your feet. Every step, every movement. Always creaking. Waves slam against the hull. Constant, relentless. Never stopping. You haven't slept properly in days. The hammock swings. The men snore. The rats crawl. Pirate life is not glamorous. There are no movies here. No romance. No glory. It is wet. Always wet. Your clothes never fully dry. Dirty. Your nails are black. Your hair is matted. Your skin is gray. And brutal. Men die here. Men kill here. Men disappear here. You share the deck with 30 men, 30 strangers, 30 enemies. None of them trust you. You are new. You are unknown. You are a threat. Most of them are criminals. Thieves, debtors, runaways, men with no other home. Some are murderers. You see it in their eyes. Empty, cold, dangerous. All of them are desperate. Desperate men do. Desperate to things. You joined this ship to survive. Maybe you had no choice. Maybe you ran from something worse. But survival here is never certain. Every morning you wake up. Every night you wonder if you will. The captain walks across the deck. His boots are loud. His shadow is long. Everyone goes silent. Conversations stop. Work pauses. Eyes drop. He is not a kind man. Kind men don't become pirate captains. He rules with fear. Fear is free. Fear is effective. Fear works. Disobedience means punishment. There are no second chances here. Sometimes the whip. Leather across bare skin. Blood on the deck. Sometimes the sea. Tied up. Thrown over. Watching the ship sail away. Almond thrown overboard rarely survives. Sharks follow These ships. They know. You grip the railing. Wood splinters under your palm. You hold tighter. Another long day at sea begins. The sun rises. The heat comes. The suffering continues. Breakfast is hard bread, hard as stone, hard as the men around you. Sometimes it has worms, white, wiggling. Extra protein, they joke. No one complains. Complaining gets you nothing. Maybe a beating? Food is food. When you're starving, you eat anything. Fresh water is limited, brown, warm, rationed carefully. Every drop matters. Your throat is always dry. Your tongue sticks to your mouth. Some men drink rum instead. Green, cheap, Rotgut. Too much rum. Drunk men are stupid men. Stupid men die fast. Arguments start easily. A look, a word, a push. Knives appear quickly, hidden in boats, under shirts. Always close. A pirate ship is a floating prison. Wooden walls, water everywhere, no escape. You cannot leave. Jumping means death. Swimming means death. Only the ship keeps you alive. Only the ocean surrounds you. Blue, endless, hungry. The sun burns your skin, day after day. No shade, no mercy. Salt dries your lips. They crack. They bleed. You taste blood with every breath. Your hands are always bleeding. Ropes, sails, work. Always work. Ropes cut deep into your skin. Calluses form, then break, then form again. Sleep comes in short bursts. 2 hours, maybe 3. Then back to work. Storms are the worst. Dark clouds gata fast. The wind changes. The sea becomes a monster. Calm water turns to rage in minutes. Waves taller than houses. They rise above you. They block the sky. The ship screams in the wind. Wood groans. Ropes snap. Men pray. You hold the ropes for hours, hands bleeding, arms shaking, fear pounding. If you fall, you disappear forever. One wave, one slip, gone. Some men already have. Last week, yesterday, maybe tonight. The ocean takes them silently. No scream, no splash, just gone. No funeral, no priest, no word said over their bodies. No grave, no marker, no place to remember them. Just endless water, stretching forever, holding every man it ever took. And the ship keeps sailing. The living keep living. The sea keeps waiting. One morning, the lookout shouts. His voice cuts through the routine. Sail on the horizon. 3 words. Everything changes. Every pirate runs to the deck. Bare feet on hot wood. Eyes searching. A merchant ship. Fat, slow, unarmed, perfect. Heavy with cargo, silk, spices, gold, food, water. The captain smiles. Rare sight. Terrifying sight. Today might bring fortune. Enough gold to leave. Enough to start over. Or death. The other ship has men too. Men with swords. Men who fight back. Cannons are loaded. Heavy iron balls. Gunpowder from the dry hold. Gunpowder fills the air. Black dust, sharp smell. Taste of battle. The ships get closer. You see their faces now. They see yours. The enemy crew sees you. Panic spreads on their deck. Men running, women screaming. They try to escape, raising sails, turning hard, too slow. But your ship is faster. Built for this. Built for blood. The captain raises his sword. Rusted steel, dried blood still on it. Fire! His voice booms across the water. The cannons explode, deafening. Shaking, fire and smoke. Smoke covers the sea. You can't see. You can't breathe. You can't hear. Wood splinters fly everywhere. Pieces of their ship. Pieces of someone's home. The ships crash together. Wood on wood. Violent. Final. Hooks pull the vessels tight. Iron claws digging into both ships. No escape now. Board them. The order comes. You have no choice. You jump across. The gap is wide. The water is hungry below. Steel clashes. Swords meet swords. Metal screams against metal. Men scream. Battle cries. Pain cries. Last cries. Blood spills on the deck. Red pool spreading. Feet slipping in a tissue. After minutes, it is over. Minutes that feel like hours. Hours that feel like death. The survivors surrender. Hands up. Tears falling, begging. You stand there, shaking. Sword in hand. Blood not yours, this time. This is pirate life. Not adventure, not freedom. Just fear. Just blood. Just survival until tomorrow. And tomorrow, you do it all again.